Stop by and take a look at the 2016 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.